the rest of the group.
Hey, wash it.
We could feed them bring the thing of food. Right. You're so impatient.
Well, there are the ducks. The 4 are still together. There's a stray duck in the middle of them there. But this is another day, and this is a smaller side of the duck pond, and you can see a lot of ducks are over here foraging for food along with all the geese.
Alright, here we are at the lake pond. There's the ducks. Those are our guys out there. And then we have these 2 little cuties that follow them around, but they're kind of weenie ducks. Then we have the ducks over here, and I absolutely hate that white duck that's in front of Jim. No, is that the one? Yeah, that's the one. Hate that guy. We want to hurt him because he's the mean bully of the whole group. So Jim's got that prodding stick for a good reason. We're feeding all the ducks but him.